What's up, guys? Sinister RC Dad coming at you. I'm in Leeds, Alabama, which is just outside of Birmingham, Alabama. I'm about to take the Bugs B2w out for a flight. I'm wasting a battery because I was supposed to use it on the beach this morning in Destin, Florida, but things did not work out that way. It was kind of crazy getting out of Dodge. We stopped in Alabama here on our way back to Arkansas to visit some family, so I'm going to try and get a view of the mountains around here. I do not want to announce it when I fly because I've got family down here and it's kind of noisy, so we'll go from there. Yeah, enjoy the flight. Thanks. I'm going to come over here so I can actually see.
How far of a range you get with that one?
It'll go, the drone itself will go 999 meters, which is times 3. Get your
Pretty dang far.
yeah.
You guys above the clouds.
Am I centered with the trees?
You're right there.
Okay. Bye-bye.
He's leaving.
What happens if...
Let's play nice try. Where's the drone? Oh, it's right
It won't
there.
fall. It'll come back home.
Spy.
Let's take it up.
Something black in my eyes.
Oh wow, the mountains look really cool. Where did it go? It's way up there. See it up there?
Come show me.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Can everybody have one of those?
I know where
It's a little stop.
What?
Get them. I'll get them though. Because you guys will just eat them all. And like, oh, son, what are we eating?
All the adults and all the kids.
Wait, what?
All the adults and all the kids.
I don't think anybody wants
Jack, do you want the purple candies? Yes.
Connor, where are they at?
That battery, Kyle. Hey. Hey, you're gonna sunglasses. I'm so
Pretty cool. Like 30.
Okay, that's 65 meters up.
Really?
Yeah, 65 meters, so times 3, it's about 110 feet? 65? No, 150 feet. All right, now watch. We're just going to keep on going up
Until when?
till it hits about 150.
Holy smokes. And that's a view, you can see everything up there. You should take the thing to, what's that called? Kiss Your Ass Curve? And go
Can you see it?
Yeah, barely. Like, that is like a poke.
Okay, watch this. See phone?
That is amazing. That's the lake at the end of the road that nobody swims in no more.
I see it.
That is so cool.
150 times.
I'm going to get me one.
So that's 300. Yeah, I'm way up there. See it?
I need your help with this one.
See it?
Oh, wow. Almost fell backwards.
Trey, you think we should repack the car?
Hey, what's 150 times 3? So 15 times 3, that's 400. 450. I'm over the legal limit by 50 feet.
Yeah, that's fine.
There's a legal limit by the FAA.
Really?
Yep.
For an ocean?
I'm trying to have the RC doctor. Wow. RC doctor help me with my film.
still hear it from way up there.
That's crazy.
Ooh, I'm being bit.
It feels like so weird not seeing the horses out here anymore.
Wow.
Horses used to come up. Honestly, like regular bushes. That's where the whole
Really?
time, like, that's where it's just from big
There's all horses out here.
There ain't catfish horses.
Bye-bye.
I need my sunglasses. It's on the side of the house. All right, punch it.
Hey, Mark. Holly, this is Emily's. Where's Kira's? No, Mom said that. What? Mom said that you take that one. I'll be right back. You got for Kira.
Hey, did you ever get that
But
steering?
then you. No,
Stand
actually,
pump
Maya's
fix?
gonna get Kira's.
No, I'm going getting it fixed when we get back. We got our money left over from vacation.
And then the other one.
Oh, alright.
So, yeah.
If I hire somebody that's got hands about this big.
Right?
That's how it was on a 94 Oldsmobile I have. You figure the engine bay looks pretty damn decent size? No. I had to go in there to replace a line in mine. It took me 5 days, 5 of us, trying to squeeze our hands in there to get it. Figured 5 days.
The door. The door on the.
Mark, you try it?
Now you're
And then they're like, well, you got to ready to do it. Just do that.
No, now you're going in. Now you're going in. Just so you're just do my brake. No, just part. The rest is labor. Say, excuse me, I can drop my own tank in 10 minutes.
That's how they do it.
Like, where do you get labor from? Oh, serious?
When I worked at the dealership, that's what they had. They used to charge the armor rate. They'll take the their labor cost.
She's gonna have your blanket, and then when I get home, I'm gonna give you.
Come here, Kwame. Come here. Hurry. You see it?
Yeah.
Come here. Forward, back. Don't touch this one. Just bring it around. Go a little bit. Put both hands in. Okay, look. See it up there?
Yeah.
Go forward a little bit.
I'm getting angry.
I'll go buy the car, but when it's time for oil change, I'm selling it. Alright, keep it. You can have the car back now. It's fine by me.
Now this stick here. Look. Look at the drone. Right,
No,
left.
just need an oil change. You guys can have the car back now. I've done my 3,000 miles. You can have it back.
Where is it?
I had my 3,000 miles on it.
Yo.
I don't want no more. You can have it
Can I
back.
see Connor?
No, I didn't. I was gonna ask the doctor. What do I have to go to get? Do I have to go buy new weights for this gym? Is there a place where I can go to get them?
You
There's a
have to look
place
up
in
the.
Joliet,
You have to look up the drone model and type in. You'll find the prop number or just do propel, whatever the drone is, and blades on eBay or Amazon. And see what comes up.
You can see
They got that humongous Hobby Lobby over by my
you
house.
can see the
This thing's huge.
Tells you how high you are and how far you are away.
Got a lot.
where's the meters?
Right there. You're 46 meters up, so you're
'Cause I go in there once.
120 feet in the air.
16 satellites?
You got
That's nothing. Here. You want to see how high it goes?
How high can it go?
Here, I'll go to legal limit. Ready?
Legal limit?
Yep.
700 feet.
Nope, 400.
400? I thought it was 700. I don't see another plane hit you.
Oh, nope, we're in battery mode.
Battery mode?
Yeah, I gotta return it to home.
What does that mean, battery mode?
Low voltage cutoff. There you let it come home.
It takes itself back?
Yep,
Oh, really?
It's jumping.
it's gonna land itself. See, it's right over us. It just come right over us, and it's just gonna
And
start.
it'll literally bring itself all the way back down the ground?
Yeah, it'll land somewhere right around here. In front of me. Yeah, basically in front of you.
How'd you already run the battery down?
Well, took it up and was running around the sky. Got a whole
How long
video.
does the battery usually last?
If you're just doing like a lot of aerial stuff, just looking at stuff and not really moving and cruising around, it'll last 15 minutes.
What about they got a Hobby Lobby in our house now, right next to the highway, they moved it. Remember that one that was in the strip mall?
Leisure.
Yeah, they moved it to a bigger facility. I was gonna go over there and get a car. What's the best one to get?
There's a few.
I was looking at Trax.
Traxxas, yeah. See, I'm not even doing this.
That is pretty neat.
Where did you get that from?